What's up, guys? Today I want show you another project which I'm really bullish on. So they mint already a few months ago, um, and 1-2 weeks ago they made a second collection, right? Um, and I talking about the Habibis, okay? And there is a good reason why I'm so ultra bullish on this guys. The first time I saw them, so this kind of guy dudes, right? I I saw some things like, okay, they try to make a second CryptoPunks, but in Arabian style, whatever. And I was thinking, yeah, it's just BS, whatever. But then later I found a little bit more out about this project, and they have an awesome utility. I mean, a kick-ass rockstar utility. I just love the utility, and I'm falling in love with this project. And I think this project is a real serious investment, in my opinion. And let me explain why. So first of all, they have a really cool community. Really, I really enjoy their community. Okay, so let me just show you their Discord. Let me open Discord. Yeah. So the community is really fun. I can show you if we go to here, BB holder. So I'm a BB holder. If you go here, you see a lot of fun stuff. So people really talk around, joking around. It's hard to explain. You need to be a part of this, and then you will understand. But the main reason why I really like them is their main utility. And the main utility is following. If we click on this here, right, then let's go to their website. Opens. Where's the website? Okay. I already logged in my with my wallet. You need to log in with wallet. Before I explain more about this, let's go also on OpenSea and take a look on the Habibis. So that are the Habibis. Floor price is right now 0.8, right? So they minted. They minted when they minted in December, so right end of the last year, and yeah, floor was 0.0, 0.05, 0.03, 0.01, right? Very cheap. So because people think, okay, what the hell is this? Makes no sense. So people start paper hand selling, and then they bring their utility. Right, then they show after the mint, and this is what a real project, what a real Bluechip project does to become a Bluechip. After the mint, the developer keep working, keep providing utility, keep providing value. And you see here that then they kick out the utility, and you see here volume like crazy. Price go up, boom. And they were already on average price 0.3, right? Right now, average price is 0.8, and it's also the floor price. So these guys are quite expensive. Question, why they are so expensive? Because you can stake them. And if you stake them, you get oil, the oil coin. Right, let's see coin market cap oil. I don't know if I will find the oil coin here. I need to log in, whatever. Let's see if we find this oil coin. I don't know that I can find it here. Anyway, doesn't matter. And the thing is, with oil, you can sell oil on Uniswap for ETH, whatever you want. But the utility behind oil, you can use oil to burn it and to get whitelisted in different projects. See this? Let me show you all, not just live all. So they got whitelists for Satoshi runners. It was 45,000 oil. 45,000 oil is approximately $100. I think so. Yeah. They get whitelisted for brain NFTs. Yeah, it's quite expensive. Some whitelists are expensive, and basically, technically, you don't buy the whitelists, because buying whitelist is something which is not allowed in this NFT space. Technically, you burn oil, and as a reward, you get a whitelist, and you really get the whitelist for just you don't need to grind for this. And that's really awesome. What kind of whitelist did they have provided Cosmo Kids, right? For just 10,000 oil. This is nothing. This is $20 or something. What kind of sick projects? A lot of big projects, they have already provided whitelist, and people buy this, right? So their coin oil makes sense. So they have an ecosystem, a real ecosystem where people really burn oil, and sometimes they make giveaways where you burn oil and then you get a ticket, and then you can win a Habibi. And the Habibi has a floor price of 0.8 ETH right now, right? So let's say what I buy also. Here's some whitelist day by day. So for example, I bought this here, Astronauts. I think this project is very nice, but I bought this 1 month ago, and there the cost was 30,000 oil. Right now it's 70,000. So they play around also with the price. So they really check these projects. I think they have a team behind this, analytic team, so they understand, okay, which project could have good value or which project is more risky. And if they think that the project has a very big value, then the price is higher. It depends also how many whitelist spots they get, etc., etc. But what I would recommend you is go for this kind of things. Look here, Cricoland. I don't know what it is, whatever, but it's just 5,000 oil. So it's just 5,000 oil, and so they told me not enough oil. You can get some. Let's click on here. Okay, 5,000 oil, and then you can swap oil from ETH to oil. And let's say we want to have 5,000 oil. It's right now $20, right? I can literally make this. Let's make this, right? So I swap. Let's swap ETH to oil. I know I have 1,000 oil, and let me swap ETH to oil, and let me make swap, confirm swap. Okay. Is it a message? I don't know. Yeah, blah blah, all good. I trust Habibis. Let me alone. Add oil to MetaMask. And here we go. Yeah, I mean, add token, whatever. And here looks like I have right now 5,000 oil. Assets. Okay, I need to make slipperage a little bit higher. Wait a second. Anyway, I will make this later. I don't want to waste your time. But it's pretty easy, right? You just increase slipperage a little bit, and then you have oil, and then you can buy in. And then you just put in your Discord name and put in your wallet address, and they have your data. And then they are very professional with this, very professional. What I really like, so let's go here to Habibis. You need to join the Discord, right? The Discord. And then if you have a whitelist, then you have here this thing here, this channel, whitelist channel, right? And you see, so here you can add your whitelist address. And for example, I have 5 projects which I bought in for whitelists. One of them is We Gonna Make It World. I bought this for 30,000 oil, around $40-50. And I got a whitelist, and they inform everything here regarding this whitelist. So everyone who bought this whitelist see this channels. So not everyone should see this channel. I see this channel because I have whitelist for We Gonna Make It World, and I have a whitelist for astronauts. And you can ask them everything here. So they provide everything. So right now they give me, okay, you need to join the Discord, blah, blah. And I get whitelist for them because I have bought oil and burn it. So that's their utility. And this utility is sick, in my opinion, because I hate this this grinding for whitelists, right? And what they done is just awesome, right? That's the first thing. What you say, okay, that's cool, I can buy oil, etc. But Habibis are too expensive. So listen carefully. They launched the BBs. Let's click on OpenSea. And the BB's floor price is right now 0.15. I tell you, BBs will moon like Habibis. Why? Because BBs right now, they cannot produce oil. You cannot stake them, but they have already announced what BBs will do is following. You will stake BBs, right? And if you stake a BB, let's say for 10 days, you can choose a whitelist for free. Depends on what kind of tier whitelist. If you stake 3, 4, 5 BBs at once for 10 days, you can maybe choose a more high tier whitelist for free. So basically they make the same thing like oil. So you can directly get whitelist. And if you cannot afford a Habibi, at least dude or girl, buy this kind of BBs. So I think they will really, really moon. The other thing, what I really love, so they launch also pretty often Twitter space. I love that Twitter space. It's just fun, you know. Here, this is the founder, Ramo, right? He make also sometimes on Twitter alpha calls, so you see alpha alert, blah blah. And he's a very funny dude, so I really like him. He's this kind of I don't give a fuck dude, you know. It's I really like this dude, you know, and people sometimes they have people in the Twitter space who call him an asshole and some things, blah blah, and it's just funny, you know, and he don't care, and I really like this kind of conversations, right? So they have a really funny community, really awesome community. They have also nice alpha calls, by the way, if you own a Habibi or BB. So I own a BB, for example. So I have here BB alpha, right? So I have here some shit coins, whatever. You can have giveaways, etc. But the main thing is their real utility. You know, they have real awesome utility. They helping people getting whitelist without grinding, right? And this is very interesting because look, at this kind of projects, they are all not bullshit projects because these guys know what they're doing, right? So they analyze these projects before they cooperate with them, right? They can choose the projects, right? And you can assume any kind of this kind of projects are more or less serious projects. So you don't need to buy in expensive stuff. Where's here some expensive? For example, this one, 81 Dynasty, 100 oil. I don't know. This is $200. 100 oil. $200 for whitelist? I don't know. but maybe it will a really awesome blue chip, which will move immediately. I don't know. I will stick to these cheap ones because you have nothing to lose. I think after this video, I will buy this, you know, 20 bucks whitelist. Why not? You know, I'm in. Then I wait 1-2 months. They make their promotions, they grow, and I already have a whitelist, right? But the main thing is, so guys, you can understand this project has a real utility behind them, and that's what makes me so bullish on it, right? So that's a really smart guys behind this. So that's my small alpha. Do your own research, of course. I'm not sponsored by them, I just like them, okay? And yeah, so in this case, yeah, have fun and take care. Bye bye.